Assalamu alaikum students, it's chemistry lecture number 13 and we will study the general trends in properties of compounds of alkali and alkaline earth metals in chapter number 2. Our page number is 27. Oxides. Alkali metal oxides dissolve in water to give strongly alkaline solutions. For example, there is lithium oxide in water combines to give lithium hydroxide, sodium peroxide and water combines to give 4 moles of sodium hydroxide and oxygen. जब हमने चैप्टर नंबर 1 स्टडी किया था तो उसमें हमने ये बात की थी कि जो ऑक्साइड्स जो हैं बेसिस रहते हैं पानी में, दे आर बेसिकली मेटालिक, देयर एलिमेंट्स आर बेसिकली मेटालिक इन नेचर. And we have already discussed about the alkali metals. Their oxides give strong alkalis in water, so they are named as alkalis. The reaction of an alkali metal oxide with water is an acid-base reaction and not an oxidation-reduction reaction. This is an acid-base reaction. There is exchange of OH negative and H positive. This is not an oxidation-reduction reaction. There is no exchange of electron. Since no element undergoes a change in its oxidation number, the reaction simply involves the decomposition of water molecule by an oxide ion. By a simple O di-negative ion, the water molecule is decomposed to form two OH negative ions. The basic character of alkali metal oxides increases down the group. Their basicity increases down the group. Potassium superoxide has a very interesting use in breathing equipments for mountaineers and in spacecraft. It has the ability to absorb carbon dioxide while giving out oxygen at the same time. Potassium superoxide दो काम करता है, ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को भी एब्जॉर्ब करता है और ऑक्सीजन को भी प्रोड्यूस करता है. There is an equation: 4 moles of potassium superoxide plus 2 moles of carbon dioxide results in the formation of potassium carbonate and 3 moles of oxygen. The solubility of alkaline earth metal oxides in water increases down the group. Beryllium oxide and magnesium oxide are insoluble, but calcium oxide, strontium oxide and barium oxide are soluble and react with water to form the corresponding hydroxides. The basic character of the oxides of alkaline earth metals increases down the group. The tendency for group secondary oxides to form alkaline solution is relatively less than that of the alkali metals. There is a chart. The lithium oxide is basic, sodium oxide is basic, potassium oxide is basic. Basic character increases down the group and the basic character decreases from left to right in a periodic table, but it increases from right to left in a periodic table as shown in the arrows. We can also see that beryllium oxide is amphoteric, magnesium oxide is basic and the calcium oxide is basic. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric. You know about amphoteric, it can behave as an acid toward a base and it can behave as a base toward an acid. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric in nature since it reacts with both acids and bases. Beryllium oxide and sulfuric acid combines to give beryllium sulfate and water. Beryllium oxide plus 2 moles of sodium hydroxide combines to give sodium berylate and water. Okay, now there are hydroxides. The alkali metal hydroxides are all crystalline solids very soluble in water except lithium hydroxide, which is slightly soluble. They are generally deliquescent. Deliquescent means the water absorber and are very strong bases except lithium hydroxide. The solubility of alkaline earth metal hydroxides in water increases down the group. Beryllium hydroxide is quite insoluble. Magnesium hydroxide is sparingly soluble while barium hydroxide is more soluble. This increase in solubility is due to low lattice energy of hydroxides, which is in turn due to higher ionic size. Alkali metal hydroxides are stable to heat except lithium hydroxide, while alkaline earth metal hydroxide like magnesium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide decompose on heating. There is a reaction: 2 moles of lithium hydroxide gives 1 mole of lithium oxide and 1 mole of water. And 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide decomposed to give magnesium oxide and water. A saturated solution of calcium hydroxide in water is called lime water and it is used as a test for carbon dioxide. A suspension of magnesium hydroxide in water is called milk of magnesia and it is used for treatment of acidity in stomach. Carbonates. The carbonates of alkali metals are all soluble in water and are stable toward heat except lithium carbonate, which is not only insoluble but also decompose on heating to lithium oxide. We have discussed it in peculiar behavior of lithium. The decomposition is made easy because the electrostatic attraction in converting from carbonates to oxide is considerable. In case of large cations like potassium monopositive in potassium carbonate, the gain in electrostatic attraction is relatively much less and the decomposition is difficult. Sodium carbonate is very important industrial chemical. A temperature below 35.2 degrees Celsius, sodium carbonate crystallizes out from water as sodium carbonate decahydrate, which is called washing soda. Above this temperature, it crystallizes as sodium carbonate monohydrate on standing in air. Sodium carbonate decahydrate slowly loses water and converts it to a white powder, sodium carbonate monohydrate. The solution of sodium carbonate in water is basic due to hydrolysis of carbonate ions. There is an equation: sodium carbonate in 2 moles of water results in the formation of 2 moles of sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. Unlike the alkali metal carbonates, alkaline earth metal carbonates are only very slightly soluble in water, with the solubility decreasing down the group. They also decompose on heating and the ease of decomposition decreases down the group. Calcium carbonate decomposed to give calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. The ease of decomposition can be related to the size of the metal ion. The smaller the ion, the more is the lattice energy of the resulting oxide, and hence higher the stability of the product. Okay, point number 4, nitrates. Nitrates of both alkali and alkaline earth metals are soluble in water. Nitrates of lithium, magnesium, calcium and barium decompose on heating to give oxygen, nitrogen dioxide and the metallic oxide, whereas nitrates of sodium and potassium decompose to give different products. 4 moles of lithium nitrate gives 2 moles of lithium oxide, 4 moles of nitrogen dioxide and 1 mole of oxygen. 2 moles of magnesium nitrate give 2 moles of magnesium oxide, 4 moles of nitrogen dioxide and 1 mole of oxygen. 2 moles of calcium nitrate and to give 2 moles of calcium oxide, 4 moles of nitrogen dioxide and 1 mole of oxygen. 2 moles of sodium nitrate gives 1 mole of sodium nitrite and 1 mole of oxygen. Sulfate. All the alkali metals give sulfates and they are all soluble in water. The solubilities of sulfates of alkaline earth metals gradually decreases down the group. Beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfate are fairly soluble in water. Calcium sulfate is slightly soluble, while strontium sulfate and barium sulfate are almost insoluble. Calcium sulfate occurs in nature as gypsum. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. हमारे एरियाज़ में जिप्सम बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल होती है एसिडिटी ऑफ सॉइल को कंट्रोल करने के लिए. When it is heated above 100 degrees Celsius, it loses 3 quarts of its water of crystallization, giving a white powder called plaster of Paris. 2 moles of calcium sulfate dihydrate result in the formation of calcium sulfate twice monohydrate plus 3 moles of water. Okay students, this is all about today. We will continue it tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.